help even things out a little bit. They continue to scramble. Now Gudas in there too, so it's 3-on-3. Now Gudas has his helmet. Oh, Gudas with a chop at the helmet of Perreault, and that was spotted.
And took his glove off to make sure he got that stick back into his hand right there, and went on to play the remainder of that shift.
Perreault is getting a penalty as well.
And then both players with contact. Perreault took the helmet off of Radko Gudas, and Radko came down hard with his to the side of Perreault's head. And here you take one more look at it. Watch Perreault, 85 in blue, as he spins off of Radko and then ends up taking the helmet off of Radko Gudas right there, and then Radko comes down with the stick on the side of the head.
And we'll wait and see. It looks like they pointed to the Philadelphia bench like they may be taking him out of the game. They are. Gudas is being sent to the locker room.